Hello, I am Percy. We will learn about Magnetron Power. Check out the latest update we have requested for the viewers. The Magnetron is a high-powered vacuum tube that works as a self-excited microwave oscillator. Crossed electron and magnetic fields are used in the magnetron to produce the high power output required in radar equipment. This small metallic cap is called its cavity. It is a high-powered vacuum tube that generates microwaves using the interaction of a stream of electrons with a magnetic field while moving past a series of open metal cavities. Once the microwave power is generated, the resonant frequency is determined by the cavity's physical dimensions. An early form of magnetron was invented by H. Jordan in 1910. Another form of magnetron tube, the split-anode magnetron, was invented by Albert Hull of General Electric Research Laboratory in 1920, but it achieved only a frequency of 30 kHz. The Cavity Magnetron was radically improved by John Randall and Harry Booth at the University of Birmingham, England in 1940. In the cross-sectional view, the Cavity Magnetron consists of a large, solid cylinder of metal with a hole drilled through the center of the circular face. A wire acting as the cathode is run down the center of this hole, and the metal block itself forms the anode. Around this hole, it is known as the interaction space or resonators, drilled parallel to the interaction space, connected to the interaction space by a short channel. This emits large amounts of microwave radio frequency energy to be generated in the cavities. This is the result of the oscillating currents flowing around the cavities. You know, an oscillating current acts as an AC source. All magnetrons contain a small amount of thorium mixed with tungsten in their filament. While this is a radioactive metal, the risk of cancer is low as it never gets airborne in normal usage. Only if the filament is taken out of the magnetron, finely crushed, and inhaled can it pose a health hazard. Magnetrons are used in microwave oven, help to cook food. The microwave energy travels through a waveguide, and is distributed into a metal cavity where the food is cooked. If the waveguide metal or the cavity is corroded, you will notice a lot of fires or sparks. Besides, every microwaves can operate at 2.5 GHz. The dangerous thing you've done is leaving the microwave door open. It interferences with TV and Wi-Fi signals and radio signals. This might affect the whole accessibility. Microwaves can also be used in communication system as well. You can find out in the frequency spectrum, in terms of gigahertz, its wavelength is quite shorter, probably 30 centimeters. Longest wavelengths are safe, like 60 Hz of electrical frequency. The obtained wavelength is 5,000 kilometers. Or in other regions, 50 Hz, the obtained wavelength is 6,000 kilometers. In terms of terahertz, the visible spectrum ranges from 400 to 750 terahertz. I'd not talk about this one. It is used for optical purposes. So, you know how the magnetron works. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.